So I've been getting lots of messages from you guys wondering what was happening to the YouTube channel, and you were wondering if the channel was dead. You wanted to know what was going on. Okay, so if you remember very well, I uploaded a video some days back and I told you guys about the Udemy course I was creating. So after creating this Udemy course here, I uploaded the videos, then I tried validating. Okay, so I filled out the validation form essentially, then submitted it. Then I got a mail from Udemy saying hello everyone, welcome back to Code My Hobby. If you're new here, I produce daily videos based around programming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. And in today's video, I'm just going to be addressing the reason why I haven't been active on YouTube for over 2 weeks. I know it's so bad not being active for 2 weeks. I feel so bad not uploading any tutorial for over 2 weeks. So as you can see from the graph right here, views dropped from July 14th to, let's say, July 26th. Yeah, so views dropped a lot, and so finally we hit 1,500 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers before, let's say, before the end of the month. So please try to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Okay, so now the main reason why I'm making this video, addressing the fact why I haven't been active on YouTube. So if you follow this channel properly, you would know that I've been working on a Udemy course. Okay, so I've been working on a Udemy course and I posted a video on YouTube. I think it was around 2 weeks ago also. And so I told you about the course. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is going to be in the description for you to check the video out. Okay, so yeah, I've been working on the Udemy course and it's been quite challenging. So I'm going to break down everything that happened. Okay, so I made the tutorials. Okay, so I made the complete tutorial for HTML and CSS, covering everything, and there are also some projects there. I think about 6 projects, 6 real-time projects that are very self-explanatory, and you also be getting my number if you'd like to schedule live calls, and I can be guiding you towards the path of being a developer. So I created a video, went over to Udemy, created an account, got the account validated to be an instructor on Udemy. Then I uploaded the courses. Then I got the feedback from Udemy saying the videos were not at a certain quality. Okay, so they have a video quality expectations for their tutorials on Udemy, so I had to go back to re-edit all the videos to the quality required. So after doing that, took about 2 days. Then I went back to Udemy, re-uploaded the course, then went through all the necessary things. Okay, so I submitted all the necessary things. Then the course was going to be validated by Udemy. So as we all know, if you're from Nigeria, there are some difficulties when it comes to companies working with Nigeria, just because of, I think, the high crime rate, the high internet crime rates in the country. So Udemy asked for a validation method, but it wasn't working because of the country, so I had to go through another means of validation. And after going through that path of validation, the second path that is, then I got a mail from Udemy saying my account was suspended. I don't actually know the reason why it was suspended, because I filled in the necessary information required, and I just got a shocking mail saying the account was suspended. I mean, it was so devastating because all the hard work put into the course felt like it had gone to waste. But had to jump back up on my feet and I had to come up with a new solution. So I had to come up with a new solution, and I hope it works out fine. If everything should work out fine, the course will be available this week. So just get ready. Of course, it's going to be $20. So it's going to be $20, and it's going to be out hopefully this week. Okay. So after receiving the mail from Udemy, I had to jump back on my feet, think of a solution quickly, and I thought of one. And yeah, so I'm following the second path, my plan B. So I'm following my plan B, and the course will be out real soon. Okay, so Udemy, I don't know why you suspended my account. Hopefully you get my mail and you respond quickly, because I mean, just because you're from a certain part of the country doesn't mean everyone is the same. So if you have any opinion about this video, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so comment whatever your thoughts is about my account being suspended rather. Okay, so my account being suspended, said it was temporarily suspended, but we all know the account has been should I say displaced. Yeah, the account is no more, and I can't even log into Udemy right now. Okay, but that being said, I'm back on YouTube and I'll be making tutorials daily now, and I did promise you guys I'll teach you how to use Firebase. So we're going to be working on a form. I think the video should be out between today or tomorrow, or in 2 days time. Okay, so the video should be out real soon. Okay, so turn on post notifications not to miss that video. First of all, we'll be creating a form, then we would be sending the information from the form to a database using Firebase. So that's an interesting tutorial you don't want to miss out on. So turn on post notification bell, and you'll be one of the first people to get notified by YouTube saying I just released a video, and you practice it, and you'll be able to send information from your contact form to a database using Firebase and JavaScript. So yeah, that was all that happened with Udemy, and that's all about the course updates and the channel update. So thank you for tuning in to this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and yeah, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.